Hi everyone, I hope everyone will fine. Today's video is about his English story, and the story is about his an unhappy crow. Don't compare yourself with anyone in life. Let's begin. Once upon a time in a lush forest there lived a crow named Cal. Cal was a sleek and intelligent bird with shiny black feathers and piercing eyes. However, despite his striking appearance, Cal was an unhappy crow. Cal spent most of his days comparing himself to others. He would gaze enviously at the robins with their vibrant red breasts and wish he could sing as sweetly as they did. He would watch the eagles soaring high in the sky and wish he could fly as effortlessly as they did. One day, while perched on a branch, Cal saw a peacock strutting its colored feathers. Cal felt a pang of jealousy and began to lament his own dull appearance. Why can't I have feathers as vibrant as the peacock? He thought to himself. As Cal continued to compare himself to others, he became increasingly miserable. He started to notice that the other crows in the forest were also unique in their own ways. Some had distinctive calls, while others had remarkable problem solving skills. One day a wise old owl approached Cal and asked, "Why are you so unhappy, young crow?" Cal explained his feelings of inadequacy and envy. The owl listened attentively and then shared a valuable lesson. "Cal, you are unique, just like every other bird in this forest. Your strengths and talents may not be the same as the robins or the eagles, but they are yours alone. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on discovering and celebrating your own gifts." Cal took the owl's words to the heart and began to explore his own abilities. He discovered that he was exceptionally skilled at solving puzzles and finding creative ways to obtain food. He learned to appreciate his intelligence and resourcefulness. As Cal stopped comparing himself to others, he started to feel a sense of contentment and happiness. He realized that his uniqueness was what made him special, and he no longer envied the characteristics of other birds. From that day forward, Cal spread his wings with confidence, embracing his individuality and celebrating the diversity of the forest's inhabitants, and he became known as the cleverest crow in the forest, and his shiny black feathers shone with a newfound sense of pride. So guys, that was the story of an unhappy crow. So please don't compare yourself with anyone in life. What are you? Who are you? You are unique. Change yourself. So the moral of the story is that never compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own strengths and unique qualities. Embrace who you are, and you will find happiness and contentment yourself. What the story teach us? This story teaches us that comparing ourselves to others only brings dissatisfaction. Embrace your uniqueness and you will live a more fulfilling life.